Look, a lot of people have absolutely no idea what they're looking at when it comes to their Jefferson nickel and how much they're actually worth. Take a look at this little collection here that was sold on eBay for over $80. Now, someone that knows what they're doing is going to go through this collection before they sell it and pick out all the best stuff. Someone who does not know what they're doing is going to sell a collection like this online and get completely ripped off simply because they don't know what they have. These coins can be a lot more valuable if you sell them the right way to the right people at the right time. Really quick, this 5-cent Jefferson nickel is a war nickel and it's sold for $2.50. Now that's a lot more money than 5 cents, but we want to be focusing on the bigger ones. So look at this one that sold for $30,550. I'm going to tell you exactly why right now. All right, so this is a 1942D 5-cent Jefferson nickel. Now this one was graded by PCGS, which is a third-party grading company, at a mint state 65 with the full steps on the back. So let's flip the coin over and look at the back center of the coin. You will see above Monticello there are some full steps. Now those steps are the highest point on the coin and they are the hardest area for the mint to strike. This full steps designation only really matters on uncirculated coins. If your coin is really beat up, the full steps don't matter as much, plus they just probably won't be there. Next, this has a D over horizontal D, so you will need some sort of magnification to look out for this D over horizontal D. This is a mint variety, so when they were striking the hubs, there was an error that occurred on the hub and then it relayed onto the planchet, causing this sort of error. So what you need to know is that because this one graded so highly, it sold for $30,550. Now please do not get your hopes up if you find this coin, because the chances of you having this high of a grade is a challenge, but it definitely is possible. So keep your eyes peeled for this 1942 D over horizontal D coin because it sold for $30,550. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. This 1964 5-cent coin sold for $32,900 and here's why. So this one was graded by PCGS as a specimen 68 with the full steps on the back. We know what those full steps are, so get your loops out, get your magnification and look at that area. But the biggest reason why it sold for so much money is because it's a specimen with a special mint set. So special mint set coins are produced typically on a different type of metal and they look different. That is what you want to be looking for. Typically, these coins are going to be found in collections and not out in pocket change, and the condition has to be phenomenal on a coin like this for it to be able to bring this astronomical price tag. If you have a coin that looks different from 1964, it could be a special mint set coin, but you got to be realistic here. So this coin sold for $32,900. This is a 1949 D over S 5-cent Jefferson nickel graded by PCGS, a mint state 67 with the full steps on the back. So let's flip it over. We have the full steps on the back. Again, you can tell that's a very important factor on some of these coins. But again, it's pretty simple on these coins. I mean, this has a D over S variety on the mint mark. That is the back right hand side of the coin. This coin was struck at the Denver Mint. And because it graded so highly at the mint state 67 grade, it sold for $32,900. This coin sold recently for $33,600. This is a 1938 D 5-cent Jefferson nickel graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 plus with full steps on the back. So again, full steps on the back, but the first thing you'll see on this coin is the toning that's happening. So toning is a naturally occurring oxidation process where the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin, causing different colors. This toning can either be a good or a bad thing depending on what it looks like. When you sell your coin is very, very important. This person picked a really good time, but it would not have sold for so much money if it didn't grade this highly. This is an unusually high graded coin and it has the plus designation after the 68. It seems silly, but that little plus sign will increase the value of the coin a lot more than you'd imagine. If you have a rare coin, make sure you keep it safe. Comment down below with what you have, and I'll see you in the next video.